Hi everyone! Today we're creating this fun 3D mug gift box out of paper. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the link in the description of this video where you can print this pattern. I printed it onto this red snowflake pattern cardstock. You'll definitely want to use thicker, heavier paper for this. So once I had that printed, I cut everything out. We're going to focus on this piece first. We're going to score all the fold lines. So for that, I'm using a ruler and my EK Tools bone folder. And I'm just going to go through on all of those lines and score them. Then go through and fold on all of the lines. So it should look like this, and we're ready to assemble the box. So we're going to start back with this tab right here, and we'll be gluing it to the side like that. So I'll put glue on the tab and then line that up with the side and press it in place. Next, we'll glue this side next to it. So I'll put glue on this tab, line that up and press it in place. Then we're not going to glue this last side right here, we're going to leave that for last. So I'm going to move to this side instead. We'll glue this tab right here. Line that up. Then we'll glue the side next to that right here. So line that up and press it in place. So now we just have this side left that we saved for last. And we have these two tabs, one on the side and one on the bottom. And I'm going to put glue on this bottom tab first, not the side one right here, but instead this bottom one. Line that up. And then I'll just kind of pull that apart gently and put glue on this last side tab. Once that's glued together, it should look like this at this point. And now all we have left to do is add the handle. So I'm going to take this handle, I'm going to turn the cup so the seam where the two sides come together is at the back. So that will give us a better looking front side. And I'm going to add the handle right here on this side. So I'm just going to decide on placement. The handle will go on like this, so just decide how close together you want to put those ends. So I'll put glue on one end of this on the good side and glue that in place like this. Then gently grab the handle and curve it around like this, being careful not to bend it. And decide where you want to place that end. So I'm going to put glue on this end of the handle on the good side once again. And curve that around and press it in place on the side of the cup. So here is the finished cup. Super easy and quick to make and great for filling with small gifts or treats. You can fill these with paper shred as I'm doing here, and then you can put things like gift cards or candy canes or anything you like inside. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please click the playlist on screen. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great holiday season.